Hello everyone, let me quickly walk you through the quotes section under the sales tab. When I click into the quotes section, I land on a screen that shows all quotes currently pending approval. Each row here represents a single quotation. The current status of all pending quotes is open, which means the buyer has not taken any action against the quote. From the storefront, the buyer can view the quote. Once I log in as a buyer, I can go to the My Account section and see all of my quotes. From there, I have two options: accept the quote and create an order. This will be saved under confirmed quotes in the seller panel, or reject the quote. This will be saved under declined quotes in the seller panel. When I click on confirmed quotes, I'll see all the quotes that have been accepted by the buyer. The status of all the confirmed quotes is approved. When I click on outdated quotes, I'll see all the quotes that have expired. Next, when I click on declined quotes, you'll find all the quotes that were rejected. On the top right, we have a new quotation button from where I can create a new quotation for the required buyer. First, I select the buyer's name. Next, I select the user to whom the quote needs to be assigned. Then I click on the quotation expiry date until which the quote will remain active, after which it will automatically expire. Next, I enter the PO number that needs to be provided for raising a quote. Then I select the date before which the items need to be shipped. Next, I add the products for which the quote has to be raised. Here, the shipping address is automatically populated for me. So once everything looks good, I simply click Save Quote. And that's how you can view, manage, and create quotations in the quotes section.